Let's proceed with the step-by-step process using statistical application. So we will use still JASP. So let's open the recent file because I have opened it earlier. So say the SAV, the SPSS file. So you have to consider also encoding your data like this. So this is the first respondent and these are his or her ratings. The second respondent until the 30th respondent. Okay, so we have here the expected table. So basically, the data has something to do with students' attitude on the use of statistical application. So let's find these values using the application. Okay, so it's very simple. So just click descriptives and then descriptive statistics. And then click this one, Control A, and then put this in the variables box. So Q1 to Q15. So let's see. Okay, and then automatically, it will generate the mean and standard deviation. However, as you can see, it was not generated, meaning we have to review the data. So most likely, it is not in scale. So let's check. So yes, it should be in scale. So just change, so that, it will generate the means and standard deviations. Okay, let's see. We're almost done. So it's very convenient using JASP. It will not take you really more time. It is easier to perform. So let's see again in the analysis. Yes, so we have here now the mean and standard deviation. So let's see. Okay, so we can copy this one, copy. And considering the table, we need one more thing, the overall mean and standard deviation. So we can use Excel instead. Okay, you can also use this. So just paste. You can choose. Okay, this one. So let's see, we can remove the unnecessary. Okay, remove clear contents and then clear contents. Okay, we can reduce this one. Maybe more. Oh yes. So we have here now. So basically for the mean, it should be 2 decimal places. So we can increase this one. Okay, 2 decimal places. For standard deviation, it must be 3 decimal places. You can use this for the overall. So equals average. And then highlight this. Okay, and then close it. Enter. So let's bold it. So the overall mean must be 3.20. So let's check. 3.20. That's correct. Next. Okay, we can copy this one immediately because we have the same number. I mean, there's also 15 entries. So just paste this, paste. Okay, automatically we will just increase the decimal. So 0.724 for the standard deviation. 0.724. Correct. So let's check if the values are correct. Just a sample. 3.40 for the first statement. Yes, and then 0.770 for the standard deviation of the first statement. Correct. Last statement, 3.33. Okay, correct. And then 0.844. 844, correct. So the next thing we can consider the legends. So 3.40 under the legends, that's agree, that's correct. How about number 10, just a sample, 3.03, still agree. How about 11, 3.50, that's strongly agree. How about number 15, 3.33, still agree. Total 3.20, it's agree. Okay, so we were able to come up with a table given the app.